This AI is totally free and unlimited. AI images and videos with no watermarks, and no need also to sign up. Subscribe to the channel and let's get started. First, open Google and search Vheer AI, then click the first link. You'll land on the homepage ready to create. Vheer AI turns simple prompts into professional quality images instantly. Start with text to image. Paste your prompt. Choose quality model in our case is totally free with unlimited generations, and there is paid models also. Pick an aspect ratio, then click Generate. A few seconds later, your high-resolution, free image appears. Click Download to save. Now, image to video. Upload your image like you're creating a new visual. Add motion prompts or style settings. You can also add camera prompts, but it's optional. Click Generate, and Vheer AI turns your image into a short video automatically. Download the clip and watch your static image come to life. Next, try image to image. Upload any photo. I am going to use my photo that I created. Add a prompt to transform it, adjust creative and control strength, then generate. Compare the original and new version for a dramatic transformation. Download the result when done. Other tools include text behind image, background remover, image to text, AI prompt generator, anime art converter, tattoo designer, and professional headshot creator. Every tool is fast, free, and outputs high-quality results. If you want faster generation or the highest quality Pro/Max models, there's a premium plan at around $10 per month, or an advanced plan at $20 per month for even more credits and speed. You can also buy credits separately. Use them anytime for images or videos with Pro/Max models. So whether you stick with free or upgrade, Vheer AI makes creating images and videos easy and flexible for every level. Comment your favorite result and subscribe for more AI tools, tutorials, and tech trends.